My name is Josh High Tech. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers, so let's run it up. Now let's talk about my favorite VS Code extensions for 2023. All right, so the first VS Code extension that I consider a favorite in 2023 is the TypeScript React Code Snippets, and it's just code snippets for React in TypeScript. And the reason why I enjoy it so much is because of this right here. All you have to do is type this in, and it can pull up like functional components like straight out the bag, and it just makes it very easy as a developer, so I'm not wasting time writing everything out. So for example, I'm going to try, let's do just a pure function component, a skeleton. So this one right here is, I'm gonna use TSRPFC. So if I go right here, I'm gonna type in TSR, and then I'm gonna type in PFC. And you see it already pulled up right there, and it'll show you exactly what it is about to apply. All you do is just click enter, bam. And there it goes right there. And that just makes life so much easier, saves a lot of time, and I can just get straight into my work. So that's why it is one of my favorite VS Code extensions for 2023. Now the second VS Code extension that I wanted to talk about is VS Code icons. And this is an example right here, is if you add it and it just makes it, literally has an icon for everything. And it is my favorite, or one of my favorite VS Code extensions for 2023, because I found it this year and I absolutely love it. And I'm never changing it from this point on, because it just looks really cool. It looks like I know what I'm doing as a dev. So yeah, that's my second favorite VS Code extension for 2023. Now the last VS Code extension that I consider a favorite in 2023 is the auto close tag. Now this one is just a simple, it automatically adds like a closing tag to your work. So if you see an example right here, if you type in HTML, automatically brings you a closing tag. Just very simple, very easy, so that you can just continue, like I said, save time and you don't have to write everything out. I really enjoy that, because if I wanted to just like create a div, bam, I have that auto close tag and the div just automatically pops up just like that. So I really enjoy this as a favorite for 2023 as an extension. And yeah, these are pretty much just my favorite VS Code extensions for 2023. And I do have a video of my favorite VS Code extensions for 2022, and they are still some of my favorite VS Code extensions. So be sure to watch that one as well, because it's very current. These are just in addition to what was in that video. So be sure to watch that one as well. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Espero que tengas un buen día. Ciao.